In this video, I'll show you how to become a part of this trending Self-Love Day Add Your Story. So if you want to become a part of this trending Add Your Story, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you first go to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Instagram and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you're tapping on search and you're searching for the following account, Add Your Sticks. Once you see it, go ahead and visit the profile page. In the profile page, look for June 2024 in the highlight section, tap on it, and then browse through these trending Add Your Story until you see the one that you're looking for, which is self-love. Post a photo of yourself that you love. So here, go ahead and tap on Add Yours. And now upload a photo or take a picture. And then post this to your Instagram story. So there you go, that is how to become a part of this trending Add Your Story called Self-Love Day. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.